Hey, what's up everyone? Wanted to hop on here and make a quick video about my 240 retainer clips plus 5 fastener remover set. Just picked this up, and this is quite possibly a must-have for anybody who does any kind of work on cars, especially late model stuff, because as you can see, actually a lot of late model cars are held together with these little plastic retainer clips. They have their pros and they have their cons. Over traditional screws, they are a lot faster and easier to take apart, but they do sometimes break, and you need the right tool. So inside this particular set, you actually have your traditional body clips, which are really, really cool. You'll find these a lot of the times inside door panels. These just kind of push, these just kind of press right in. Sometimes you'll find these retaining rugs and things like that. Sometimes they call them Christmas tree fasteners because the little like ridges here kind of look like little Christmas trees. But you'll find those in there. But also my favorite are these little plugs. What I like about these plugs is that these plugs are infinitely reusable. Basically how it works here is in the out position, they're unlocked. You push them into the panel and then you push them down, and what that does is that actually locks it in place so that the two pieces are joined. And then to unlock them, basically you need a tool to get underneath, pop that up, and that is where I can bring it up. That is where this tool comes into play. So this is a tool that's included with the kit, which I absolutely freaking love. Basically what this does is this is a way for you to basically get behind the clip, pop it up, and then again, I'm trying to do this all one-handed while it's on camera, but you can get behind the clip, get it there, pop it up. Hold on, give me 1 second. As you do, get it behind the clip, give it a little pull, and then that is going to pop the clip right out, so that way then you can pop the other side out with the other bit. And this is you can actually replace the little kit lip there. Now what I like about this too, in addition to this little tool that they give you, they also give you a lot of body trim, nylon body trim panels. What a lot of people do, I see it a lot of the older guys, they'll do is they'll actually just grab a flathead screwdriver, they'll go to town behind a door panel, or they'll go to town on one of these with a flathead, try to pick it out. But the metal's really, really hard. It's going to scratch, it's going to scrape, it's going to mar panels. Not going to do a great job. So what they've done is they've actually, inside this kit, they've given you all kinds of little tools. They're all plastic. They're not gonna scrape. They're not gonna rip anything. They're gonna be really nice to get behind body panels. Little wedges. They give you little little pry bars, little hooks to get into all those little crannies, nooks and crannies, to change out any of the clips that you might do here. Overall, I mean, it's pretty much every style of fastener that you could see in one specific set. I mean, you've got. Actually, rather than show these to you, let me actually show you over here. So as you can see, these are actually all the different makes and models that you can find these on. So you've got GM, you've got Honda, you've got more Honda, Acura, Ford, GM, Chrysler. This is actually what I just pulled out of here. You've also got, again, you got Toyota, Lexus. Just about all the brands that you could possibly work on are represented here. So no matter what you have, whether you've got, for instance, I've got a Chrysler and I've got a Chevy. If you have imports, we're all going to buy basically the same kit, and we're going to have all the pieces that we need. Overall, great set, and I highly recommend anyone with a car who does a little bit of DIY work, pick one up. Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description, and if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.